Unila Sitaku on Betway's Metshameko Madness. I'm your host with the most, Mr. Kennedy Thal. I'm with two of Botswana's finest celebrities, Mr. Bambino.
We out here, we here now. Let's get it.
And we have Situnya Delia, and she's just a girl. The winner of today's game will be playing for charity. You will win 10,000 pula to give to a charity of your choice. You ready to play Metshameko Madness?
Yeah.
I'm gonna count you down from 3, 2, 1. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
As long as it's not gross.
It is the blind taste. Renale Bambino, the beautiful boy, full of banter, baby. Boy, see. Bambino, you have 60 seconds to guess the substances in the 10 bottles in front of you. Each correct guess is worth 100 points. The green bottles double your score. The orange bottles triple your score. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna count you down, boy. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on now. What do you taste? What is it giving? Huh? What taste? King. Taste it. 48 seconds. Come on, Bambino. 46.
Chocolate.
Correct. It is chocolate. What's the next one? Come on now. 42 seconds.
Take your time.
What is it?
Take your time.
Lemon.
No. Try again. Eyes on to the next one. What's that one? What's that one? Come on, Bambino.
Milk.
Yamashi. What's that one? Hey, Bambino,
Yo, way.
what is it?
Can I skip to this?
Skipa. What's that one? 22 seconds. Come on, Bambino. What is it? You're not going to be able to come back. What is that? Taste it. Come on,
hot sauce. Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Taste that.
Vinegar.
Come on, 7 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4. That's correct. 3, 2. Get another one.
Which
1.
one? Yo, way.
How was that experience for you, Bambi?
Hot sauce. Yo, but. Okay, I'm sorry.
How was the experience for you?
Hectic, bruh.
Hectic.
Yo.
Renalisi Tunya, aka Flower. Get I cake flour yama gunya ke all together again. Situnya, we're playing the blind taste. Are you ready?
Bring it on.
3, 2, 1, let's go! What are you tasting?
Chocolate. Peanut butter.
Yes. Are, what's the next thing?
Lemon
Taste
juice.
that. Wow, please. What's the next thing? Come on, you have 48 seconds.
I don't know.
Okay, next one. Are. Taste tang. Think. What does it taste like? Okay.
Syrup.
Hasione. Next one.
Ginger.
Yes. I'll give it to you. Okay, what's the next one? 34 seconds.
Yogurt.
What are yogurt?
Cheese.
Almost.
Cheese.
Almost. Hey, Shakiti. What's the next one?
Balsamic vinegar.
Hey,
That is vinegar.
That is vinegar. Thank you. What's the next one? 19 seconds. Come on.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Can I get anything?
That's a soy sauce.
Just a soy sauce.
Close, but not really.
Salad dressing.
Close. Ari. 5, 4, 3,
Salad dressing.
2, 1. Done. Hey. Okay, so how did that feel?
Chimmy, gas, swag,
Wow, so the last one, not a king, not a salad dressing.
So
It was
why
barbecue
are you coming
sauce.
for me?
I'm
just
not
a girl.
coming for you.
You forgot.
Kana sunya what I guess a black tea, I put a chicken.
Okay.
Or like to really so.
And I'm feeling bad because I was kind of for Bambino. I was like, Bambino, you don't know how to cook. That time I got everything
I
wrong, I'm
still
sure.
don't know because one of the hot sauce, especially because I took it at the end and the time was up. Yo, my life.
Are you guys ready for the results?
I'm more than ready.
Ready. I did a drum roll. Come on. Situnya coming in at 600 points. Let's go, baby!
What about me?
Bambino,
Okay,
are you
come
ready
here,
to hear
come
your
here.
results? You have
700
700 points! You are the winner for today! win 10,000 pula to donate to a charity of your choice. Yo bona gotlhe from Metshameko Madness. Ke nna host ya lona Kennedy Thal. Gakologa gore ga di camera di ema mona tone o ntse wa tswelela. Tshameka Betway ka jeku.
And then
Oh man, yo. That was a hectic one. Yo.